How to make dice throw a test average. Remember the script from the last video? Start by adding system.link. Then declare a new int that is an array. Call it average I. Make that equal to a new int with 1000. You can make it more precise with a higher number. Make a for loop where the length is average I.length. Copy this into that. Inside the for loop, make average I equal to roll. Now make a W called average. Make that equal to curable.average I.asCurable. Now use console.writeLine to display the average number with average number plus average. .NET run, input size, and you get the average number.